let's make spicy pepper noodles together. So we're going to be using plantain to make this noodles. Let's get started, guys. So I sliced my plantain and I fried it. I'm going to be using smoked fish to make this. Yes, it's just me, or smoked fish gives extra flavor to food. I mean, extra spice. But anyways, so I grinded my pepper. It is roughly blended, guys, and I washed the smoked fish. I added oil to the pan, then I added the pepper first because I wanted it to steam a little before adding water. So I added the water here, added the noodles and the smoked fish, and guys, trust me, this came out really nice. Yeah, it came out really nice. I added the seasoning, the Indomie seasoning. Indomie, I'm used to it. Then I added the fried plantain and I stirred together, guys. This tastes so delicious. So we'll be trying this. Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you.